Hi, everybody, and welcome back to We Are God's Gift podcast here on YouTube. I am Nathan, and today I will be giving you guys part two to rebuild, rethink, reborn. Now, I also have some special announcements for you guys at the end of the video. So please stay tuned to the end of the video. Please watch all the way through to the end of the video. But thank you guys so much for the love that you showed on part one of this series here on YouTube. Part one of Rebuild, Rethink, Reborn. This is part two. And as you guys can see, I'm doing this very early in the afternoon, shortly after getting home from work. But today we're going to talk about what do we do after we rebuild our life after a negative situation. After you rebuild, you have to rethink. You have to come up with, okay, how do I make this situation into something positive? How do I take it and use it for a positive? Because if you use it in a positive way, it's going to do so much good for other people if you use it in a positive way. So after you've rebuilt, after you start your foundation and after you rebuild yourself, you gotta get to a better place mentally. So you have to rethink. You gotta get to a better place in your brain, in your mind. But and this also comes with the third thing that we're going to talk about next week. This also comes with being reborn as well. You also have to believe that you can overcome things. You also have to have patience, because God will send you a sign and He will show you, okay, this is how you need to rethink your strategy. I've sent you a sign. This is how you need to rethink your strategy now. So, what I want you to take from this episode is, don't be afraid to ask people for advice. Maybe they can help you rethink your strategy when you go through a negative situation. Maybe they can help you overcome your obstacles. And maybe they can make a difference in your life. Don't be afraid to ask Jesus for help either. He's always going to be there to help you. And He can make a difference in your life. He can make a huge difference in your life. So what I want you guys to do is, every time you go through a negative situation, I want you to step back, think about how you're feeling, and then I want you to think about how you can take that situation and turn it into a positive. A couple of months ago, I talked about turning a negative situation into a positive. That's basically what this episode is. And and that's what I want you guys to do. With every negative situation that you face, there is a positive in your life. But all you have to do is be willing to find it. So I hope that you learned something from this episode. Before I go, I want to give you guys some special announcements. So as you guys know, I've been uploading videos every Saturday on my YouTube. What I'm going to start doing is uploading videos every Friday. And the reason why for that is I have been having trouble scheduling the videos to be released. So normally what I do is I schedule the videos to be released at like a certain time and whatever. So, but what I've noticed is it's not been working. So I'm going to do the videos on Friday and then release them on Friday. So this video will be released today. It will be released today. So, giving you a heads up, now the videos will be done and released on Friday. So, I will fix everything. I will make sure to turn on your notifications and whatever you need to do. But now the videos will be released on Friday instead of Saturday. So, the other announcement is I will be making a very, very special video. My mother's birthday is, as you guys know, a few years ago, well, in 2002, my mother passed away from cancer. And the second announcement is her birthday is in January the 31st. So, I will be making a very, very special video honoring my mother for her birthday right here on YouTube. So make sure you turn on your notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you. Bye. Oh, and don't forget, love each other, care for each other, and respect each other. We'll see you guys in the next one.